Here go race and on you. Hello, stick in a bed. Some may say I don't know what it is. Happy na mahuman, puno na niyo, puno.
Bala ka lutood ni guys.
Kaon.
Okay, dito balhin. It's okay. Ano na yung white?
I'm too cheap. I'm down to the dark side. Yes, me happily. Let it go, let it go. So once and guys, and I'm sick and not top ahead. Some time, basun sana ma. Okay, let it go.
Kukoy sounds let it go na. Ay, balhin yung kamot. Sige.
Napakyo.
Bantayan o iwasan ng mga Pilipino sa oras na may malakas na lindo na tatama po sa atin, lalo na sa Metro Manila.
Okay.
Okay. I overheard you coming in you're having a bad day. Sa akin. Kailan?
Okay.
Diretso na po tayo sa punto nyo. Ano po bang gusto niyo? Anong kailangan niyo?
Ano yung white?
I'm very impressed with your work.
Ano na?
My company's headquarters is undergoing renovation. Kung gusto mo, is undergoing rebranding. And that is a good opportunity for us to work together.
Ano na? Ugma na po na uban, be.
Over this.